hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
What's up, Bonnabelle? Hello, hi lovelies, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. We're inside Asda and we're here to monitor prices as per usual. Alright, so information reaching me, like I told you guys yesterday, price slashes have started. It's not yet time to buy, although it's time to buy some vegetables because the vegetables usually go first. So I'm going to stop by at the vegetable section. So this used to be £6, it's now £4. They're getting there. Don't buy yet. So all of this. These ones are still £13. So over on this side, these ones are still regular prices. All of these are still regular prices. They're all going to be marked down. These are still regular prices. All the chicken and the poultry section are still regular prices as well. So this used to be £4.35, this is now £4. That's not really the discount we're looking for. Okay. Right, so turkey's in. Turkey's in. This is £9 per kg. And this whole thing is still £51, so it's not yet time to buy. Okay? We're holding on. This is a small one. This is a small, oh, this is just the crown, the turkey crown. That's the chicken, turkey breast. That's the turkey breast. It's not yet time to buy, guys, but turkey's in. Great news. I love to see it. These ones are marinated. Oh, there's duck as well, and venison. All right, so this is turkey crown. This is £32. This is not what we're after, but all of these cuts are going to be on sale. All right, so let's check the veg section. These ones look like they're still the regular prices. Still regular prices, all of these. Hiya. Sorry, do you mind if I ask about your price slashes for your veggies? I heard that you've started marking them down for like less than what is usually sold for.
Yeah.
So what items exactly?
They're on the ends. It's carrots, broccoli, parsnips and sprouts.
Right, thank you. They're on this end. Oh, they're all gone. They're all gone. Oh my god. Everyone's taking them. They're all gone. So parsnips, I don't like the taste of it. We have broccoli sprouts. I love these. This is 8p. 8. Right? I love these, but my family people don't like it. They don't like it, okay? So I'm skipping this one. But you guys, you have to come earlier. It's selling out, so price drops have started. Maximum of 5 per customer. So they're putting an embargo on that. Maximum of 5 per customer. So broccoli, parsnips, sprouts and carrots. Right. This is the clear definition of the early bird. The early bird gets the fattest one. So as soon as stores open, you want to get in the store and start buying. I'm just going to stop by at the bread section and pick up some bread. I'll see if my boys are up to it. So we'll stop by at Morrisons and then we'll pick up, or we'll see what they have on sale as well. So keeping up with our Christmas challenge, we're looking at the book of Luke chapter 21 in today's video. And at the beginning of this chapter, we see Jesus observing at the temple, and then he notices people coming to give their offering. And there was this particular woman who came. She was really poor and she gave all that she had. Meanwhile, there were a lot of other rich people who came and gave their offering. But because this woman gave all that she had, Jesus praised her and said that she had given the most. Jesus also predicted the destruction of the temple, which just connotes his death and resurrection. He also spoke about the end time and the signs that would follow, where men will be seekers and lovers of themselves. There will be famine, earthquakes, and plagues. Does any of this sound familiar? He also spoke about the fall of Jerusalem and the second coming of the Son of Man, aka himself. And then we also see the parable of the fig tree. And finally, this chapter ends on a note of warning where Jesus wants us to not be distracted by the cares of this world, but to stay vigilant to the place of prayer. What stood out to you in this chapter? Let me know in the comment section. Also, my two shout outs today go to Shanae Morris Thompson and Amarachi Oma. Thank you guys so much for watching and always engaging on my videos. God bless you. This is how we buy bread. Don't judge me. Listen and don't judge. Oh, they said they want regular bread too. We usually just get this one because we don't want it to go bad. So it's a small one. Let's go pay. So today what I'm grateful for is flexibility. I'm grateful for finding the balance that just allows me to have time for my family and my creativity and just improving my craft. Also, it is the main reason why I'm able to even partake in Vlogmas this year at all. As usual, when I'm leaving any store, I like to scan the plant section or the botanicals. I don't know what it's called, but I just like to look at the plants. So I'll see if the boys are up to it, and then I'll stop by at Morrisons and check just to compare prices. And then I'll get back to you guys. I will see you in Morrisons, hopefully. I want to go there and see what they have, because I know their turkey is in as well, but I know they won't mark it down yet. Yay! The boys were up to it, so we are here at Morrisons. Let's see if they're... Oh, I'm already seeing it from here and it's sold out. They also have the veggies going on sales. It's gone. Some. They still have carrots. They have only one mushroom and what's this one? Sweet. Oh no. I don't like sweet. They still have sweet. Their bananas are 75p. I think these are regular prices. They have all regular prices for their fruits. Yeah, they still have loads of carrots for this 10p. So rush to Morrisons, guys. It's time to stock up. All of these are still regular prices. There's regular prices all through. So as far as I can tell, Asda has the lowest price. It's a shame I can't take you into Aldi because apparently you're not filming in there. But yeah, I picked up a carrot for 10p. So the price cuts have started. These are all regular prices. They started marking down some of these. So if you have the mall card, you pay £12, but the regular price is £24. So you might want to download the app and get the mall card to get this for half price. Alright, so if you're still patient, this will still drop further. So all of this half price will still become ridiculously cheap. They also do the price cuts for seafood as well. All of this bacon is still regular price, so this is 2 for £4. Seafood, all of this is also going on sale, so if you're patient enough, you get some of these as well. They started clearing this aisle. They've started clearing. This one has been marked down, reduced. So this is basically the sticker you're looking at. So this is prawns wrapped in bacon. This was initially £5, but it's now £2.50. This bag of lettuce used to sell for £2.49. It's now £1.38. So all of these meat cuts have already started. Like, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. So this meat is £1.72. All of these have started dropping. Sorry. So yeah, the price cuts have started, but it's not all the items at the moment. Morrisons has started as well. This is the sweet section. I'm not looking for sweets. I don't know if they do sales on their cheeses. I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, oh, there's something I wanted to get in Morrisons. Remember my spatula that broke? I want to replace it. Can't find any. Oh yes, I found some. So if I use my more card, this is £2, but if I buy this regular price, it's £3. So it's worth it having the more card. You save and then you get points as well. They also have storage bins as well. Have cute little ramekins for just 75p. This would be great for momoy. So yeah, they've started their price slashes also, because this used to be £1, it's now 75p. Candles.
Oh, that's like as well, is it?
Yeah. I need to get you
It's worth checking out. So you might want to pay a little more attention when you pass by these aisles for different items. I'm not checking like the shelf produce, because all I'm after is the protein and the vegetables. I got my carrots, I have my spatula, I'm using my more card to get points and also get items at reduced prices. So these two stores I can vouch for, because sorry, I've seen it for myself. Okay, so remember to check out the stores and get your items discounted.
Do you wish to?
That's it from me, guys. I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 23. 2 more days till Vlogmas is over. Can you believe it? I can't. Anyway, you guys, I will see you guys